The best of both worlds means you can enjoy two different opportunities at the same time. Example, by speaking and translating, she get the best of both worlds. See eye to eye. It means agreeing with someone. Example, I see eye to eye on the business deal. When pigs fly means something that will never happen. Example, when pigs fly, she'll tidy up her room. Once in a blue moon, an event that happens infrequently. Example, I only visit my relative once in a blue moon. Speak of the devil means the person you're just talking about actually appears at that moment. Example, hi John, speak of the devil. I was just telling Lara about your new car. To cost an arm and a leg means something is very expensive. Example, gold these days cost an arm and a leg. To kill two birds with one stone means to solve two problems at once. Example, I killed two birds with one stone. I gotta go away but always spend time with them. To feel under the weather means to not feel well. Example, I'm so sad because my cousin feeling under the weather today. Let the cat out of the bag means to accidentally reveal a secret. Example, I let the cat out of the bag about their wedding plans. A piece of cake means something is very easy. Example, English is a piece of cake with rebuild my English channel. To cut corners means to do something badly or cheaply. Example, they really cut corners when they built this room.